10 shocking futuristic inventions you must see 2024. Experience the future because we're about to take you on a mind-blowing journey through 10 of the most revolutionary inventions of our time. Get ready to have your mind expanded, your imagination sparked, and your inner sci-fi geek thrilled. These inventions are more astonishing than you ever thought possible, so let's dive in and explore the shocking, the astounding, and the downright cool innovations of 2024. The Mutant Missile. First on our list is the Mutant Missile, a groundbreaking project developed by the U.S. Air Force Research Lab, AFRL. This isn't just any missile, it's a game changer in aerial combat. The Mutant Missile employs dynamic morphing, also known as articulation, to drastically improve its maneuverability and range. Imagine a missile that can change its shape mid-flight to dodge obstacles and chase down the most agile targets. The key to this innovation is its shape-changing control surface, which allows the missile to adapt to different flight conditions. This increases its turning radius and agility, making it far more lethal and precise. Whether it's dealing with evasive enemy aircraft or tackling complex flight paths, the Mutant Missile represents the future of warfare, where technology takes precision and adaptability to the next level. Revo Foods 3D printed filet. Next, we move from the battlefield to the dining table with an invention that's set to revolutionize the way we eat. Revo Foods 3D printed filet. This Austrian company has developed a cutting-edge 3D food printing technology that is transforming industrial food production. Gone are the days when alternative meat products tasted anything but meat. With Revo Foods technology, you can create authentic meat alternatives that look, feel, and taste like the real thing. The real magic lies in the precision of the extrusion system used in the 3D printer. It allows for bulk customization, meaning users can have total control over the product's specifications without having to adjust the hardware. Ocean Hydro Omni. Imagine a world where we can generate electricity, store energy, and produce fresh water, all from the power of the ocean. That's exactly what Ocean Hydro Omni is doing. Launched by Wind Energy, this groundbreaking technology tackles 3 of the 21st century's biggest challenges: low-cost clean electricity, grid-scale energy storage, and water scarcity. The Ocean Hydro Omni system uses high-altitude, ocean-based hydroelectric turbines paired with vertical-axis wind rotors. These innovative turbines cut desalination costs by a staggering 90% compared to conventional methods. This means cleaner energy, more efficient power storage, and accessible fresh water for communities around the world. This invention doesn't just solve one problem. It's a comprehensive solution that addresses multiple global challenges at once. Magway. Next on our list is Magway, a transportation technology that seems straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine traveling between cities in just a few minutes without the noise, pollution, or stress of traditional transport. Magway uses magnetic levitation, commonly known as maglev technology, to propel vehicles at unprecedented speeds. It's faster than a speeding bullet and smoother than any ride you've ever experienced. This revolutionary tech drastically reduces travel time and promises to change the way we think about transportation. It's not just about getting from point A to point B faster, it's about doing so in a way that's environmentally friendly and more efficient than anything currently available. Magway could be the key to a future where long-distance travel is quick, clean, and effortless. Viking Lifecraft. Safety at sea is about to be revolutionized with the Viking Lifecraft system. This innovative evacuation technology, soon to be deployed by Kiwi Rail's Inter-Islander ferry fleet, is designed to ensure maximum safety during maritime emergencies. The system includes 203-person self-propelled survival crafts, which are compact, efficient, and incredibly safe. What sets the Viking Lifecraft apart is its focus on saving space, weight, and time, 3 critical factors in maritime safety. These crafts are easy to deploy and can navigate rough seas, ensuring that passengers have a reliable means of escape in case of an emergency. As maritime travel continues to be a vital part of global transportation, the Viking Lifecraft represents a significant advancement in ensuring the safety of passengers worldwide. Samsung Sky Flying Car, and next we have the Samsung Sky Flying Car. This isn't just any flying car, it's a revolutionary hybrid that seamlessly transitions between flying and driving modes. After successfully completing its inaugural flight, this vehicle is setting a new standard in transportation. Imagine cruising through city streets at speeds up to 201 km/h, then effortlessly lifting off to soar through the skies at a staggering 322 km/h. Over 2,300 people have already reserved this incredible vehicle, indicating just how eagerly the world is anticipating this breakthrough in personal transportation. The Samsung Sky promises not just speed, but also versatility, offering a glimpse into a future where the boundaries between air and land travel blur. Whether you're avoiding traffic on the ground or taking a scenic flight, this invention is a game changer in how we think about commuting. Bionic M's B-leg prosthetic. Now let's turn our attention to a groundbreaking advancement in medical technology, Bionic M's B-leg prosthetic. This is no ordinary prosthetic leg. It's equipped with a microprocessor-driven joint, providing exceptional stability and support that empowers amputees to engage in daily activities with newfound confidence. The B-leg can handle weights of up to 125 kilos, ensuring it's strong enough for a wide range of users. Its impressive 16-hour battery life on a single charge means users can go about their day without worrying about power. Additionally, the prosthetic's sensors, operating at an astounding 200 times per second, facilitate smooth, natural movements like walking, climbing stairs, and even rising from a chair. This prosthetic leg is more than just a medical device. It's a symbol of how technology can transform lives. Microsoft's Project Silica. Let's talk about the future of data storage with Microsoft's Project Silica. Imagine storing your most important data on a piece of glass that could last for millennia. This isn't some far-off dream. Project Silica uses quartz glass for long-lasting data storage, offering unparalleled durability and stability. With a tiny 75x75x 2mm quartz plate capable of holding up to 75.6 GB of data, this technology packs a punch in a small package. It works by using laser technology to create tiny three-dimensional patterns on the glass, which can then be read back using artificial intelligence algorithms. This means your data could be safely stored and accessed thousands of years from now, preserving knowledge for future generations in a way that's never been possible before. Manani Kite. The Manani kite is an ingenious invention in the realm of renewable energy. This innovative kite isn't just a toy, it's a powerful solution for generating electricity sustainably by harnessing wind power as it soars high in the sky. Developed over 7 years, the Manani kite has evolved from a 20-kilowatt prototype into an industrial-scale kite capable of generating up to 600 kilowatt of power. This is enough electricity to supply about 30 households, making it a significant player in the shift toward greener energy solutions. By capturing wind energy at higher altitudes, where winds are stronger and more consistent, the Manani kite represents a new frontier in clean energy technology. Fluid Reality's XR Gloves. In the world of virtual reality, Fluid Reality's XR gloves are set to redefine immersive experiences. These aren't your average VR gloves. They're equipped with tactile feedback that makes virtual objects feel almost real. Each glove contains up to 20 tactile pixels per square centimeter, powered by hydraulic pumps. These pumps create tiny bubbles within the pixels, simulating pressure sensations for the wearer. The result, a 5-fold cheaper yet more effective way to interact with virtual environments compared to similar products on the market. There you have it, 10 shocking futuristic inventions that are shaping the future of our world. If you're as excited about these inventions as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. The future is here, and it's more incredible than ever.